बधाई हो आप सभी को, क्योंकि अभी अभी नागरिकता संशोधन बिल
Jai Shri Ram, greetings to all. Friends, I'm here just to ask about the work accounted for.
सारिया ने मेरा जय श्री राम। दोस्तों मैं सिर्फ काम का हिसाब
This
लेने आया।
is recently used deepfake video in an Indian election campaign where Manoj Tiwari doing its campaign with the help of deepfake, where two videos of him went viral on WhatsApp, one in Haryanvi, other in English language. Hey, my name is Nancy Singh and here we go. It's rare these days you visit social media and not come across some form of edited content, whether that is simplified selfie with a filter or highly furnished meme. While some forms of media are obviously edited, other alternation may be harder to spot. You may have heard the term deepfake in the recent years to describe video and images that implement deep learning algorithm to create videos and images that look real. The term deepfake does not refer to just any convincing edited video or image. More specifically, the term is of deep learning and fake. The specific type of media relies on neural network to alter audio and video. Humans have a strong tendency to believe in their own ears and eyes. So when the media we consume looks too good to be fake, it's easy to fall victim to trickery. And the amount of deepfake online continue to grow, though not always in the places you might expect. The technology to create deepfake has gotten easier to access over the year, with a handful of programs and websites cropping up that allows users to make their own, sometimes at a hefty price, while many deepfake videos are not that convincing. Most of the deepfake videos we came across are made with the same few open source tools. 99% or even more of the deepfake videos that we find are based on the face swapping. There are other ways to create fake videos, even changing the speech or lip movement, changing the body movement. And though face swapping technology can be applied to literally any photo or video with the human face in it, deepfake creators seems to have an affinity for one type of media, in particular pornography. But the technology behind it can be used for a host of creative projects such as translation services or visual tricks in movies or TV shows. Rather, the film used an experimental new technology to showcase that an alternate historical timeline might have looked alike, while educating viewers on how convincing deepfakes and video editing can be. But that's not to say deepfake can't mislead, nor that they aren't already being used to carry out nefarious deeds. Besides the widespread use of non-consensual, also seen a rise in cases where deepfakes are used to impersonate someone trying to open a bank account or Bitcoin wallet. Video verification required for these processes, it's easy to trick cameras by deepfake. And with the technology getting easier to access, it's likely that the spread of deepfake will continue. We can only hope people will choose to use them for the good. Here is one last deepfake for you all.
Either forced to join their militia, desperately yellow photographs, holding them up to anyone who will stop.
And for the first time since 1974, the best and brightest men and women of nations and corporations the world over will pool their resources, share their collective vision to leave behind a brighter future. It's not about us. Therefore, what I am saying, if I am saying anything,
is generous. So much money. Wow. Out of curiosity, will any portion of that grant be made available to faculty? I know, ooh, gross, but hear me out. I have got this